kapag kap. So guys, magtutukbo kami, papunta kami ng pier sa Icon Siam kasi magdi-dinner cruise kami, ano na, oras na ba, late na tayo. Walang kumubukas sa Bolt or Grab. So malilate na tayo, malayo yun pala. O 6:26 na, kailangan 7:30, naka-check-in na tayo. So ginawa namin, ginuna namin to. 400 nga ino-offer, ginawa namin 250. Tapos mag-book tayo. Nakapukbo kami ngayon. Sana umabot tayo. Okay, let's go. Mabilis naman ang tuktok eh. Ayan yun. Basta alas 12 lang na tayo. Para nakapagod tayo. Guys, 6:47 na. Aabot pa tayo. Okay. Sana laban. Ang traffic na. Okay, dito na tayo. 7:04 na, bibili tayo ng ticket ng boat. Tara, tapos tara. Boat ticket yun na. Dito kami bibili ng ticket, patawin na Icon Siam dito. Kasi pag ano pa tayo, Grab o kotse, dire-diretso pa siya, iikot pa siya doon. So dito daw pwede. So 10 baht. Dito lang. So ito yung boat patawid, Icon Siam between Sea Paraya. Ayun no. Okay. Main daga, baka malusot na. Doon na. Sana abot?
Abot na abot.
Yan na tatawid na lang tayo. Napapark siya dyan. 7:16 na. Kailangan before 7:30 naka-check-in tayo. Yan yung may mga tao, nag-check-in na yan.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, nakahabol tayo sa ating dinner cruise. At natapapila na dito sa Meridian Cruise 2. 7:45 ang start ng ating cruise. And ilan tayo? 7 kami. Nabook namin ito nasa 1,600 plus kasi regular ticket dito. Dahil may promo sila, yun ang kinuha namin Meridian Cruise. Pero marami namang options kung anong cruise ang gusto nyong pagpilian dito. Yung kanila kasi may 25% discount. So pumapatak siya. Pag-apat, so pumapatak siya nasa 1,297 lang. Yung binayaran namin. Tapos dito syempre may party, Andy, buffet, may band. Kasi libot kayo dito sa doon sa Ryan. At eto na yung mga kasama natin. Ready na.
Maganda yung second.
Naka-outfit si Chan.
Yes.
Tara na daw. I-picture lang daw. Sino ba to? Oh, nayaman ka. Sweaty cap. Okay, sila na, group na lang. Chang, kumama ka na. Chang, sama ka na.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah. Kaput kap. Kap. Wow, di mga food nila. Saan tayo? Ha? S3. S3. 3. Ayun. S3. Dito tayo. 7 yung tama. Ito pala 7. Sino sa dulo?
Ay, gusto ko sa bandang.
Sila nanay na lang kasi first. Nay, kayo na sa dulo. Ikaw na nanay sa dulo, baka kasi mabagsak to. Ikaw na sa dulo, nay. Yung gamit, malagay mo dito.
Hello, good evening once again, and we welcome you aboard here at Meridian Cruise 2. We would like to start by saying thank you so much for being here with us and for joining this lovely dinner. So before we open our buffet, of course, we would like
Please take a life vest or a life cord from under your chair
Luxury yata
and refer to the instructions for using it.
the buffet table right there.
Hello,
in the
yung
middle,
food
and
nila.
please enjoy your dinner.
Pakita ko yung mga food nila. Ayan.
สำหรับจัดบริการต่างๆของเรานะคะลูกค้าท่านใดต้องการที่จะเข้าห้องน้ำห้องน้ำของเราอยู่ด้านล่างนะคะเชิญเข้าไปตรงกลางแบบของด้านล่างนะคะในของตัวเรือเป็นห้องน้ำสำหรับผู้หญิงสำหรับของตัวเรือเป็นห้องน้ำสำหรับผู้ชายค่ะในส่วนของการจิบบุหรี่จะอยู่เฉพาะด้านหลังซ้ายมือของชายเท่านั้นนะคะโดยเฉพาะที่ท้ายเรือด้านหลังซ้ายมือของชาย
Ito yung dessert nila dito. Salad. May pasta. Soft drinks meron din sila. Mga sashimi.
Restrooms or toilets, they are located on the first floor.
Noodles, sashimi.
On the left-hand side is the female.
Sashimi.
You are smoking. I was moving in.
Sashimi tayo. And, ano to? Crab stick.
And please bear in mind that this is a full 2-hour journey.
So guys, nag-set muna kami na aming kumuha muna kami mga pagkain dyan para mamaya, ano lang tayo, kakain na lang tayo nakakain. Then yung pag naubos, saka lang tayo babalik ng buffet. Yeah, para ready na. Ganun ang technique, parang kunin nyo na lahat ng gusto nyo para masulit yung oras nyo dito sa buffet. Tapos mamaya, ang technique na lang, magpipicture-picture na lang tayo pagbalik. Diba? Kinakaya lang may sashimi sa lunch.
Tatlong plate ko na to.
Ha?
Tatlong plate na kayo.
Ito yung sa akin, oh. Madami yan. May biryani, may pad thai, tapos may tani, salad sandwich. Ito yung sinasabi ko na hiko na makapal na.
Sarap nyo.
Sarap. Oo. Kasi sila, Chang!
We're leaving the Icon Siam, and as what we promised, of course, once we leave, we're going to start with our set. And the two of us right here, my friend, Teen and me, Ray, we're going to take care of you for the rest of 2 hours. So we're going to say 3 sets for you tonight. we gotta start
Kain
with
muna
a
tayo,
slow
kasi
tempo
banda dito sa
until
likod,
on our last set. If you can join us in dancing, that would be amazing. So you can sing along, you can clap your hands if you feel like.
Di ba yung ipon nila ang laki?
เคารพแด่สมเด็จพระราชินีนั่นเองนะคะและสถานที่ต่างๆจะให้คุณลูกค้าทราบ
Ayoko ng ipon.
And also, once we pass into those restricted
Laki, no?
locations, of course, we're gonna go back to our normal volume. So, and right now, everybody, welcome again to our first set. So we wish that you're gonna enjoy your food, enjoy the
Ay,
view,
somtang
and
pala
enjoy
to.
the rest of your
Somtang.
stay
Kailan
here
may
at
somtang
Meridian
ako.
Cruise
Diba?
2.
Tapos salad. Sashimi din naman ang fresh. Yan. Parang fresh katulad namin. Hala, kay sana hindi pa nagsisimula. Ano na, marami na agad. Pakalaman mo na yan. Pakalaman mo na yan.
Know that we'll still have each
coffee,
other. You can stand under my umbrella. You can stand under my umbrella. Ella, Ella, under my umbrella. Ella, Ella, under my umbrella. Ella, Ella, under my umbrella. Ella, You can run into my arms, it's okay, don't be alarmed. Come into me, there is no distance in between our love. So gonna let the rain pour, I'll be all you need and more. Because he forever said I'll always be a friend. Took an oath, I'ma stick it out to the end. Now that it's raining more than ever, know that we'll still have each other. You can stand under my umbrella. You can stand under my umbrella. Ella, Ella, under my umbrella.
Maybe I'm moving on, and I think you should be something I don't want to hold back. Maybe you should know that my mama don't like you, she likes everyone. I'm not of a lie to admit that I was wrong, 'cause I get so caught up in my job, waiting to see what's going on, but now I know I'm better sleeping on my own, 'cause if you like the way you look that much, oh baby you should go love
Sana isang buong isda na binigay nila sa akin.
and if you think that I'm still holding on to something, you should go love yourself.
Ito na tayo.
Sige, kunin mo na, kunin mo.
Pera ng,
Kapangit. Sa atin.
yung sa atin.
Sa atin na lang.
Wala na.
Mukha kami souvenir. 200 baht.
รถชั้นสูง
Dati 150 lang ito. Ano ito na ba?
สมเด็จพระราชินี
Kami souvenir tayo.
ฉันขออนุญาตเรียนแจ้งก่อน
Ganda.
สักครู่เดียวทางด้านซ้ายมือของตัวเรือนะคะตัวเรือกำลังจะแล่นผ่านในส่วนของวัดกัลยาณมิตรนั่นเองนะคะ
ขอบคุณครับ
วัดกัลยาณมิตรทางด้านซ้ายมือของตัวเรือเช่นเดียวกัน
Ganda.
ผ่านในส่วนของ
So, tumatakbo na kasalukuyan ang ating bangka at nakakain na rin kami ng konti. So, mabibideo na natin kasi wala na masyadong tao dito. Yung ibang food. Ito, dessert section. Ito yung mga tayong dessert kayo na, no? Hindi ko na... Ano? Ayan, no? As cakes. Ay, ito yung wat arun.
Pwede kayang,
Ito pala yung wat arun. Chang, kaway kayo.
And right now, ladies and gentlemen, we're seeing the right-hand side of the boat is the Grand Palace, or
Grand Palace nga siya.
the home of the Emerald Buddha.
ใช่แล้วตอนนี้ทางด้านขวามือนะคะถึงแล้วในส่วนของวัดพระแก้วนะคะและพระบรมมหาราชวังนั่นเองทางด้านขวามือของตัวเรือค่ะ
Ha? So, ang ganda ba? Yes, meron sila parang kanin salad na sandwich. Ang sarap nito. Yan o. Ang daming feelings. Ay, masarap. Ay, masarap. Type ko siya.
Tatlong crumble eggs.
Ay ba? Mamalang dyan ko.
Pangalawa ko na ito, pangatlo.
Yung creme na masarap. Ano na? Pagkain natin creme.
Right on the left-hand side of the boat is Wat Rahang Temple. Currently, the temple is similar to the Wat Kalyani, if we're looking at.
Guys, papaya salad. Papaya salad.
Ate, busin natin magkapatid.
Alam mo, sarap. Ano mo try?
Maya.
Hindi mo ang nasa creme brulee daw, mas natabi ni Kayla. Gawin natin creme brulee.
Kanta.
Creme brulee. Ano masarap?
Shaped Thai life and culture for centuries. Tonight's performance, Bupa Sommanom, is inspired by the flower tree procession from Loei province in northeastern Thailand. Just as this river gives life to the land, this tradition gives meaning
Iba siya?
to
Masarap?
community.
Ito yung sasawa
Through
niya.
graceful movements, the dance connects nature, belief, and the human heart. Please enjoy this moment of beauty as it flows with the river tonight.
Bakit?
Ganto tayo lang sa pala. Ganto tayo last year. Sumali na tayo para picture.
Kaya niyo yung tatlo?
Alrighty, so now we have arrived here at the Rama 8th Bridge. So we have a special announcement for you guys that we're only passing by in this location only one time. And please take this moment to take much photographs and videos as you can, because unfortunately we're not coming back in this area anymore because this is return going all the way to Asia Tech and Icon Siam.
ใช่แล้วขออนุญาตทักทายคุณลูกค้าคนไทยกันก่อนเลยวันนี้มีคุณลูกค้าคนไทยที่โต๊ะไหนไหมคะ
มีคนไทยไหมครับพี่มือให้หน่อยครับสวัสดีครับผม
เดี๋ยวว่างเลยทีเดียวยินดีต้อนรับด้วยนะคะ From China
Please raise your hands if you're from China. Ni hao. Are you from China? Ni hao. Welcome.
And we have all Thai guests here.
Yes.
And what about at the back of Thai guests? We have beautiful ladies.
Those beautiful ladies right there. Hi, good evening.
Hello, where are
Yes.
you from?
India.
Namaste.
Namaste, India. By the way, ma'am, that glitter shirt really looks beautiful on you. Yes.
Gorgeous.
Welcome, you guys. Okay, let's go.
And what about at the back? Hello, sir.
Hi, sir. Good evening.
Hey, hello. Where you guys from? Nepal. Welcome.
Nepal. All right. Welcome.
Nice table. Hello, everybody. Hi. Yes,
Hi.
yes.
Yes, you guys. Yeah.
Where you guys from? Indonesia.
Indonesia.
Welcome.
Salamat datang Indonesia. Okay.
Alright, we're gonna change to the right hand
Yes,
side.
let's go on the right hand side.
Okay.
Let's go and check, of course, these people.
Okay,
Hi, sir.
okay,
Good evening.
fine.
Where you from? Where you from, sir? Country? China, Singapore, Hong Kong.
Taiwan.
Okay.
Welcome.
Which country you are from, sir? I think China. Yes, you're from China.
Oh,
Okay. So,
welcome.
ni hao, ni hao. You, ma'am, you're from China too? Or which country you're from? Sorry, Japan. Komawa. Komawa. Japan. We got Japanese people right here. Of course, these people are from China. Hello.
Hello.
Next, let me guess. You guys are from the Philippines, am I right? We call it lukso ng dugo. Yes! Mabuhay, Philippines! The Philippines is here tonight, of course. These lovely people, my mga kababayan right here tonight. I hope you're enjoying.
Yes.
Yeah, sayaw po tayo mamaya. ha?
Yeah.
Yes, they're nodding. We will dance later for sure. Now let's go to the next part, next table.
O, tingin kayo. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Tingin. Oh, ito chismisan pa eh. Yung na kasi chismis.
ล้นคอชายมาลายน้ำใจของแฟนเคยให้ล้นลาม
เรารักกันจริงจะทอดจะทิ้งลงก็ตามอย่าเพิ่งใจดำเป็นแฟนประจำเถิดหวาน
ใกล้เรือนเพียงได้ฟังแต่เสียงชายครวญเคยชมเชิญชวนมีน้ำมาเดือนกันสัมพันธ์
เอารักมาคืนไปรักคนอื่นทำไมกันนาวาสวรรค์มารับจอมขวัญแล้วกันดา
ลืมมองหน้าอย่าเพิ่งลืมคนขี้อายไอ้หนุ่มเมียนายเอาไงเมียแนน
Sing happy birthday! Let's go!
Let's sing together.
Come on!
Let's go.
Di pa ganito
Let's
pala.
join together. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Hey, hey. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Come on. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. I think we're gonna sing one more time. Happy birthday to you. Hey, hey, hey. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. สุขสันต์วันเกิดนะครับมาลิกายังคาร์วัน of course your beloved Philippines also คนไทย of course everything
จะสามารถกันให้กับคุณลูกค้าทุกท่านนะคะขอให้คุณลูกค้ามีความสุขมากๆร่ำรวยเงินทองคิดสิ่งใดหวังสิ่งใดขอให้สมดังหวังดังปรารถนานะคะ
Of course, on behalf of the Meridian Cruise Tour, we'd like to say thank you so much for spending your awesome birthday celebration here tonight with us. And we wish you a happy, happy birthday. More blessings to come, good health as always. And may you be the happiest human alive today because it's your birthday. Let's go.
Happy birthday.
Let's sing one more time. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Let's sing it. Happy birthday to you. Hey, hey. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Come on, let's join our voices together. Happy birthday. That's yeah, what we promised. We're gonna start first with songs from your. Yakin ka, tapi tak ku rasakan. Ku perasaan semua pada Tuhan yang telah mengatur semua jalanku dan juga jodohku dimanapun, kapanpun itu. Indonesia, let me hear it. Karena ku slow, sungguh slow, sangat slow, tidak slow, santai, santai, jodoh tak jalan kemana. Karena ku slow, sungguh slow, sangat slow, tidak slow, santai, santai, Tuhan pasti akan berikan kacauan. Let's go!
Stay with me, my own God of the world that I feel. 나의 나에게서 나이가 아주 괜찮지만 힘없는 엉덩이. Stay with me.
Sosa ka.
Thank you.
Stay with me, I know that I'm not lucky. ล้วนลามจะทำไงดีเอาความคิดแล้วพอหยุดมองปั๊บก็หนุกมันหนุกนั่งเขาจับเขาทีตกใจและตื่นมาเสียดีมากแน่นี่ล่ะเฮ้ย
เอาตรงนั้นหน่อยนะ Go!
ตีห้าไม่ถึงก็ชวนคิดทบทวนเรื่องมันชัดเจน
ให้ผู้ใดนะฟังมาหาลานให้มาดาดังมาลาลูนาคูนักสักsaya want China let's go how beating bago ay naghihintay para di sayaw mo. Sumunod ka sa inatan Panakin niya lang ka Bagong tugtugin ka tayo lang ka Sumunod ka sa inatan Panahon makisama Mag-enjoy ka Ngayon Hey! Let's go! Panahon natin Ay naghihintay Kalat sulit Masasayang awitin Nararapat na tangkilikin Awiting bago Ay naghihintay para isaya mo.
Awiting bago Nangyayaw kami sa'yo mo.
1, 2, 3, let's go! Sabayaw sumunod ka sa inatan Kasabay ng mga bagong tugtugin ngayon Sumayaw sumunod ka sa inatan Panahon magkisama Mag-enjoy ka Magkailangan na!
Gayo!
Hey, 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 come on! Indonesia, come on, join us! Panahon natin ay nag-iibay Sundin
Masasayang awitin Nararapat na tagilikin Awiting bago
ay naghihintay mga bagong tugtugin ngayon. Sumayaw sumunod ka sa inat na panahon, mag-isama, mag-enjoy the time with you. Sumayaw sumunod ka sa inat na panahon, kasabay ng mga bagong tugtugin ngayon. Sumayaw sumunod ka sa inat na panahon, kasabay ng mga bagong tugtugin ngayon. Sumayaw sumunod ka sa inat na panahon, kasabay ng mga bagong tugtugin ngayon. Sumayaw sumunod ka sa inat na panahon, makisama.
They can't have me, so as long as my dance beside me. Move with me, chill with me, and then you do it. Come on, let's do it together.
Mi Macarena, tu cuerpo para navegar esa buena. Hala tu cuerpo, amiga Macarena. Hey, Macarena, hala tu cuerpo, amiga Macarena. Tu cuerpo para navegar esa buena. Hala tu cuerpo, amiga Macarena. Hey, Macarena, come on.
Don't you worry about it.
Yeah, let's
The
go.
boy, her name is Nico Nino. I don't want him, couldn't stand him. He went over so
Mama Macarena, Mama Macarena, Macarena, Macarena. Let's do it. Hala tu cuerpo, amiga Macarena. Tu cuerpo para navegar.
go on and feel it. This is your moment, no hesitation. Today is the day I feel it. Put your pain away, believe it. If you get up, oh, oh. If you get up, eh, eh. I'm kalewa.
This time for Nepal. Waka waka,
Samina, kalewa.
samina, waka waka, samina, This time for China. Let's give a hand for China, everybody. Let's go. Waka waka, welcome to Thailand. Sawadee
Let's go.
Come on. Come on. Samina, hey, hey, waka waka, hey, hey, samina, sangalewa. I know, samina, hey, hey, waka waka, hey, hey, samina, sangalewa.
Let's all for the feeling.
Yeah! For Africa. Shout out to Japan as well.
Shout out to Thailand.
Thailand. Let's go. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Come on. Come on, you guys. We're now to our last 2 songs of the night. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Let's go, team.
So now you know me.
Come on, everybody.
Are you ready?
Let's put our hands up in the air. Let's go. Get your. Hold on. I'm on my way. Yeah, let's get it higher. Yeah. I'm on my way. Hold on. Yeah.
Don't you want me like I want you, baby? จ้องตาเธอแกอยากให้เธอได้คุยได้ท่าทางก็เชิญเธอมาเธอได้ไหม
Come on everybody, let's do it! 4, 2, 3, come on!
มาโอเคนะคะจะเป็นสักแป๊บหนึ่งโอ้ยคิดถึงจังเลยได้เจอกันมาตั้งแต่โอเคนะคะมาหากันรู้หรือเปล่าเปล่าเป็นไม่ยกให้อยากเจอนะคะจะเป็นสักแป๊บหนึ่งโอ้ยคิดถึงจังเลยได้เจอกันมาตั้งแต่โอเคนะคะมาหากันรู้หรือเปล่าเปล่าเป็นไม่ยกให้อยากเจอ
Alright everybody, thank you so much. Now we're back here at the Icon Siam. We would like to say thank you so much to all our lovely guests from Nepal, Indonesia, Thailand, to the Philippines,
Yeah.
China,
Say hi in Philippines.
Japan,
Where are you from?
the
Where are you? Where are you
Philippines. Thank you so much, of course, for sharing your
Sawadee
tips
ka.
with us. And then you have the
Thank
lovely
you.
Sam.
Kapun ka.
See you
Kapun
again
ka.
next time here at Meridian Cruise Ship. Sawadee ka.
ตอนนี้นะคะ
China. Salamat po mga kabayan. Thank you so much.
ขอบคุณคุณลูกค้าคนไทยด้วยนะคะ นี่แหละ
นี่แหละ
Ano Chang, enjoy ba? Enjoy ang cruise, Chang. Oh, kayo ah.
ขอบคุณนะคะ
ขอบคุณมากค่ะเจอกันนะคะ
Ano, enjoy? Enjoy ba ang cruise? Tara, let's go.
Dumari ka daw kasaymaste.
Dito na lang.
Thank you so much.
Dito na. Thank you, maraming salamat. Rizal Province. Yeah. So guys, alam niyo, pag may kasama yung senior, i-book nyo ang river cruise dito sa Thailand. Ma-enjoy nila. Kahit ano pang river cruise dyan. Marami dyan kayong pagpipilian. Piliin nyo na lang yung suit sa budget nyo. Sobrang saya. Tapos yung banda, mga vocalist, mga Pinoy. Si Chang may ano pa. Marito.
Paano?
Cruise crew!
Ano tawag?
Cruise ship depression.
Depression. Biten. Sayaw na sayaw sila eh.